Thank you guys for waiting from 13 to 15 to 15. So watch out your number, okay? So we're doing by number. Alright, so have you guys see the number? Until 57. So first, mag-shuffle muna tayo. Thank you guys for joining. 10% can get 1 kilo bigas. Alright, good luck. Mark your number, okay? First winner. $46. Ayan, 46. First winner. Shout out. 46. Mary Jade Cuyos Rosacina. 46. Okay. Second winner. Na-remove ko na po. So, gawin natin i-shuffle muna. Okay. Second winner. Number 26. 26. Hanapin natin ang 26. So, 26. Ito si congratulations, Rodeline Comayos Bautista. 26. Inbox me, inbox. I-remove na natin. Ayan, remove. Nabasa yan, remove. Shuffle muna natin. Third winners. Ding, ding, ding. Number 27. 27. Lah, nagsunod oh. Si number 27. 27. Shout out Raida Sagadan. Congratulations. Remove. Shuffle. Next winners. Pang ano na to? Tatlo? Okay. 3 winners. Pang 4 na. 4. Number 23. So, ang number 23 ay si Arnold Jacinto Lagarto. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. Ayan. Comment down below. Tapos i-PM ko kayo. Alright, shuffle. So, next winners. Pang 1, 2, 3, 4. Pang 5 na to ha. Pang 5 winners. Number 56. Sino si 56? Uy, kakasali lang ni 56 oh. Swerte lang talaga. Orian Garcia. Alright. Remove. Shuffle. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pang 6 na po to. Pang 6. Pang 6 na po to. Uy. Number 55. Kakasali lang ni 55. Humabol siya. Nalo siya agad. Pang ano na to siya? Pang 6 winners. Remove. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Yan. Si 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pang 7 na po to. Pang 7. Pang 7. Number 43. Shout out to Crisanda Kasim Abdul. Nag-PM to sa akin today. Sabi niya nag-invite na naman siya today. 43. Crisanda, shout out. Then, remove. Shuffle, shuffle. Nagsha-shuffle talaga ako guys. Hindi yan favoritism. So, ano na to? Pang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pang 8 na to. Number 25. Uy, Uy, congratulations Lini Bangka. Lagi tong active, guys. May ayuda o wala si Lini Bangka. Lagi yang naka-bangka. Lagi yang active. Congratulations, Lenny. You deserve it. Shuffle, shuffle. Next winners. Pangkita na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pang 9 na to. Pang 9. Congratulations. Number 15. 15. Pang 9. Ninya Manalak Herrera. 15. Okay. 15. Congratulations. Shuffle. Nag-shuffle talaga ako, guys. Uy, shoot. Nawala na. Alright. Pang 10 na to, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pang 10 na to, guys. Number 8. Uy. Hala, nanalo si number 8. Sinong number 8? Si Mapi Ulalo. Congratulations. So, yung winners natin is 10 na, guys. So, huwag kang mag-alala. Mag-raffle naman tayo pag we hit 26, okay? Stay tuned. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan. Alright, comment down below para ay PM ko kayo. PM nyo ako. Thank you. Congratulations.